Baby grooming kits are a necessity for your baby registry. These kits have all the essential items that are sized to suit your baby's delicate skin, hair and nails, and provides you with all the necessary tools for your baby's general grooming. The items in the best grooming kit are made from durable materials that is safe for your little ones, plus these kits are convenient to carry and keep you organized and mess-free. In order to help you to find out the best one, we have selected and reviewed best kids grooming kits, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Safety First Deluxe Healthcare and Grooming Kit. This convenient all-in-one kit offers a deluxe assortment of grooming and healthcare essentials. It has a bottle dispenser that lets you give baby medicine in a comforting way, along with a digital thermometer. Has deluxe wrapping clutch case with 2 easy view compartments. It includes easy grip brush with soft bristles and gentle care comb with comfort handle. Also has a nasal aspirator with small, flexible tip for baby's comfort and steady grip nail clippers for easy trimming. Number 2. Licton Baby Grooming Kit. This baby grooming kit includes newborn baby scissors, 3 nail files, newborn special brush, drug feeder, measuring cup, teeth chew, and lead ear spoon. Comes with a nasal aspirator that will protect your child all the time. This kit provides peace of mind to parents and the best health care for your baby. It comes with a water-resistant storage bag, convenient to carry, and especially suitable for outgoing or traveling. Nail clippers designed with curved edges for safer trimming and will not hurt your baby's fingers. They safely and quickly trim and polish little toenails and fingernails. Licton Baby Newborn Gift Set is simply the ideal present for expecting mums or first-time parents. Included finger toothbrush is easy to clean baby's mouth and will not damage baby teeth. Its newborn special comb has ergonomic comfort and shaped handle for right and left-handers. Number 3. Ottolives Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit. This baby grooming kit is a set of daily necessities for newborn babies. Has comfortable silicone finger toothbrush to clean baby's teeth and tongue. The small and flexible tip of the nasal aspirator is more suitable for babies' noses. The curved nail clipper design makes manicure safer and faster. And the medicine dropper can absorb liquid dosage more accurately. Gentle care brushes and baby combs can bring comfort to babies, plus the scissors with round head design are more safe and reliable. This grooming kit is equipped with 1 electric nail trimmer and 7 trimmer attachments. Comes with convenient zipper tote case that is easy to organize and carry, suitable for home travel. Number 4. Lupanta Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit. This 18-in-1 baby items set includes tweezers, medicine dropper, finger toothbrush, round tip scissor, and more to meet the daily demand for baby. Lupanta Baby Grooming Kit comes with an electric nail trimmer and 6 grinding heads, super soft baby nail trimmer that won't damage cuticles or soft nail beds. It is simply the ideal present for expecting mums or first-time parents. It is lightweight and comes with a small tote bag to organize a well. Made of high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, provides peace of mind to parents and the best health care for your baby. Its brush is made of soft bristles, which is comfortable for baby's scalp and fine hair. Has nasal aspirator that relieves baby's nasal congestion and digital thermometer for an easy, accurate temperature reading. Number 5. Safety First Nursery Care Health and Grooming Kit. This nursery kit includes a group of 30 carefully selected pieces that will help ensure you are prepared during those precious first years with baby. Package is designed for easy wrapping that makes a great shower gift. Has feeding tracker bracelet and newborn nasal aspirator. Comes with digital 3-in-1 thermometer with 5 probe covers and bottle medicine dispenser and 6 antimicrobial alcohol wipes. Has soothing scrub cradle cap brush and an easy grip comb. Number 6. Milky House Baby Healthcare Grooming Kits. This baby safety kit set has everything parents need for grooming baby's hair from infant to toddler, provides peace of mind to parents, and the best health care for your baby. Made of high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free high-quality plastic. Comes with deluxe wrapping clutch case, with easy view compartments to organize well. It has easy grip brush and grip comb, and digital 3-in-1 thermometer with probe. Has a nasal aspirator with a small flexible tip, relieves the baby's nasal congestion for comfort.